Hey guys, what is up? It is Brandy Chanell, and if you're new to my channel, which I'm sure most of you are, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to makeup to fashion to organizing to you to pretty much all things beauty, lifestyle, and everyday living. So if you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join the notification gang. All right, let's get on with the subject matter at hand. All right, guys. As you can tell by the title of this video, it's a catch-up where I've been. Most of you are new to the channel, so if you're new, hey girl, what up? If you're returning, hey girl, what up? Welcome back. That's my dog. Hey, girl, get out of. Let me get her out of here. Moo, get, scram. All right, so let's do a quick catch up. Let's rewind to see what's been going on. I will give you a brief recap. I am a new mommy, okay? Mommy out here in this game almost 9 months, okay? He almost been out as long as he was in. So let's catch up and I'll talk to you on the other side. I'm alive! Hey guys, it has been a hot minute. I'm actually, if you're new here, my name is Brandy Chanell. I usually don't look this crazy, but today, as you can tell by the title, we're gonna go to Primark. I'm gonna try to get some footage in the store. I don't know, do I need anything? You know, do I want something? Yes, I'm going specifically for this one sweater. But for those of you who are new to this channel, I am a new mom. And so, of course, naturally, I need some new clothes, right? Not too many clothes, 'cause I'm pretty much, by God's grace, I'm back to my normal size. So I'm going to quickly do my hair, excuse me, hop in the shower, and then we're gonna head out to Primark. I can't decide if I want to wear a wig today. I had this really cute mom bob wig, but I think I'm just gonna put my hair back in a ponytail, hop in the shower so I can get out of here quick and get back so we can hang. Yeah, so let's get ready really quick and go to Primark. And before we go, let's talk about, I think my edges did shed a little bit. I don't remember them looking like this, so I'm pretty sure this is postpartum. I never saw any like hair shedding, so it must have happened really slowly, but it's already starting to grow back, but right in here, as you can see. So we'll keep an eye on that. But actually, I've never really had baby hairs, but I've been kind of covering it up, and it actually looks kind of cute. Well, to me, it actually looks like a lace front, to be honest. Just so funny. Anyways, let's go to Primark. That is so cute. Well, that was a bust. I definitely came to Primark, I think, too early. Maybe I'll wait till maybe mid-September, see what they got in there, because all they had was mostly their clearance stuff from the summer, which was very picked over. I found this cute top. I was like, oh, I can get this instead of this one I've been eyeing on Quince. And it had makeup on it, and it was kind of thin, so I was like, no. Y'all, I was ready to tear down Primark and get my pre-fall shop on, and it's not happening. So we will guess. I mean, we're not really doing much for the rest of the day. Dresser. Ooh, that's really cute. Super cute dresser. How are you, girl? I'm gonna take a picture of this bed. This is so cute. Super cute. And then bathroom with a shower. 40th birthday trip. Polly Beach. Here we come. Despite everything. Man, I forgot my earrings. Shoot. Oh well. Good morning, everybody. Walking over to Burt's. See if they have a coffee and baby detergent. We shall see. This thing is big enough to feed a family. Look at that. It's like almost the size of my hand. Hilarious. Heading to a concert. Ah, you excited?
Oh yeah.
See you when we get there. Alright, my very first brow tint appointment. Wish me luck. Hi girls! I totally forgot to come back and show you my brows, but they look... Is that the girls are doing? But yes, girls. Yeah, so I'm gonna bring you guys along with me this weekend. We saw Santa today. And tomorrow we'll be getting into a little, not really sure what we're getting into, but wait, not looking too cute. Look at that. Oh, girl, pull your wig up. Anyways, all right, gonna chill, make dinner. We'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye. Happy Vlogmas.
Finding gratitude for all of the different muscles that have to activate.
All right, so it is the end of the year. I wanted to do Vlogmas. You know, it's crazy, the analysis paralysis, how that works, right? You want to do so much that you just don't do anything. So here we are. We're catching up. We're starting fresh. I don't really know what direction I want the channel to go in. I'm definitely not going to do as much beauty and fashion just because, girl, I'd be saving my money. Okay, we got a baby now. Okay, if this dog, hang on, girl, get scram. I didn't have footage of this, but this girl fell off the bed barking at the neighbor's dog next door. Girl, we can't be doing that. So the baby's expensive, the dog's expensive, life is expensive. So I don't know. I'm just gonna spend these last 2 weeks of the year kind of decluttering my mind, the house, and then we'll see where we end up. I've been surviving. We have survived. Me and my husband have survived so far. And, 2026, I don't know what his vision is quite yet, but I know my vision is thriving. So we were surviving 25, 26. We're on the thrive, okay? So my word for 2026 is thrive. I'm thriving. I want to thrive in all the areas of life, okay? 2025 was a year, okay, sis? It was a year, okay? So many things, okay? So many things. And it wasn't just the baby. It was just other life things. A prominent member of my family passed away, and it hit us hard, okay, girl? So dealing with that and, embracing a new life for the baby. It's just been so much going on. And not even to mention, like, other things in the world. So, like I said, declutter. So I'm going to declutter this closet. Mainly, I just want to get rid of hangers and just like straighten up some of this stuff and move it around. I'm going to show y'all a quick pan of what the closet looks like right now. I may get rid of some stuff too. I've been decluttering since the pandemic, y'all. And it don't even look like it, to be honest. So I'm going to try to cut down on that. And hopefully we have some other things coming in the future. That's why we need to save. So, not hopefully, we will. So, saving is a huge thing this coming year. So for me, that means minimal shopping on things that aren't necessary, i.e. clothes. I really don't even buy makeup like that anymore. My makeup stash it's very small. But But yeah, anyways, so watch me declutter the closet, and then maybe next time we'll declutter. I'd actually need to declutter the office too. Oh my gosh, I have been tracking my walking, and I need to turn that off. Hang on, let me pause that. All right, and we're back. So yeah, just watch me declutter, and then I think that'll be it for today. Our catch up for today, and then I'll see y'all. So here we go, girl. That's not the best angle, but that's all we got. So all these were like stuff was on, clothes that we had both gotten rid of, since we got married and moved together before that. So the high quality hanger is gonna keep, but all these plastic ones we're just gonna donate. I don't know what they do with them at it's a place here in Charlotte called Crisis. I don't know what they do, if they even take these, but I feel better not just putting them in the trash. So we're gonna get rid of all these hangers, girl. And then, yeah. So let's do that first. I might keep some of these. Oh gosh, I probably should get rid of these hats too. Don't even wear them. Don't even wear them, sis. But I love hats. Okay. So I might keep a few of these. Hey guys, it's editing me. I forgot to end out the video, but we did the closet closeout, and not sure when we'll be back, but we'll be back. So I hope you guys enjoyed that random catch up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. Check out for more. Talk to you later. Bye.